Welcome to First Choice Federal Credit Union. This is our second site. We wanted to make it a little bit more interactive with you, our members. It is our goal to make it a place of financial education in order to better reach out to you, to give you some tips and some tricks. There's also going to be some tutorials and some different ways to connect with our membership. We hope that you'll utilize this site often and continue to visit it in order to get the most out of your credit union experience. As always, we'd love to hear from you. Please feel free to contact us at any point in time about any suggestions you might have as far as new content or new features on the website. We also want to make sure that we stay relevant to the things that are important to you. Please continue to use both sites. The primary site is going to be where you would access your home banking from. This site is going to be more interactive. It's going to be updated quite often with new articles and new information, and also provide a place for us to connect to our membership. We really appreciate your business. We thank you so much for making First Choice your choice for financial services.